When a man isn't making eye contact during a conversation, it can be perplexing, but there are several possible reasons behind it. He may simply be shy, socially anxious, or accustomed to a culture that discourages eye contact. Conversely, a lack of eye contact might indicate attraction, especially if he's displaying other signs of interest, or it could signal disinterest if he deliberately avoids your gaze. Additionally, he might be feeling guilty, uncomfortable with the topic at hand, or simply having a bad day. It's also possible he feels intimidated or that he's building up the courage to communicate something important. If you're unsure, continue the conversation while trying to maintain eye contact, and consider gently checking in with him about how he's feeling. Ultimately, while eye contact is a valuable part of communication, it's not always essential, and understanding the context can help clarify his behavior.